Tired of harsh light straining your eyes on Inkitt? Let's dive into making your reading experience much more comfortable. First, open up your Inkitt app on your mobile device if you're reading on a computer. Navigate to the Inkitt website in your web browser. On the app, look for your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that to access your settings. From your profile menu, find and tap on the Settings option. It typically has a small gear icon next to it. Now, within the settings, you'll want to scroll down until you see a section labeled Display or Appearance. You should see an option for dark mode or something similar to enable it. Simply tap on the switch or checkbox next to it. Instantly, your Inkitt app will switch to a dark interface. With light text on a dark background, this significantly reduces glare and is much easier on your eyes, especially in dimly lit environments. If you're on a computer, the process is very similar. Hover your mouse over your profile icon in the top right corner of the Inkitt website. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Settings from this menu. On the Settings page, scroll down to find the Display or Theme options. Locate the Dark Mode option and click the toggle to switch it on. And just like that, the website will also transform into a dark-themed view, making your late-night reading sessions far more enjoyable. Enjoy your comfortable, eye-friendly reading on Inkitt, day or night.